Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well and staying positive in these tough times. I'm Rahul, this is my channel. Today I'm going to unbox. Let's get started. So as you can see, it says smart is beautiful. So you already might have noticed like what we are going to unbox today. It's about my smartwatch. So we are going to unbox one of the bands that released recently. Not one of the bands, it's actually two bands. One is Sports Loop and one is Sports Band. So let me unbox. So this is my Sports Loop and this is the Sports Band. So yeah, so these are the two bands we are going to unbox. This is the new summer edition of the Apple Watch bands. So first I'm going to unbox this one and put it aside. So yeah, it's sealed and it came from country of origin is China. Maximum retail price is 3,900 it's showing, but I got this one for around 3,140. Same for both. And let me this looks pretty nice. Let me open my watch and I don't need this one. This is a longer part of the band. My wrist is not that much thick, so I will be needed this one. Basically I normally use same size as you can see, and this is another one. So these two I'm going to use and will show like how it looks. I'm just putting this whole thing aside. I need to remove my watch band first. This is the one I received when I purchased my watch first time. This is the Nike edition. So this one is the cactus variant. The color is cactus. It's not pretty blue, it's not pretty what I can say, gray, but in between, something between gray and blue. So the color looks good. I like the color and that's why I've ordered this one. So maybe you can try this one as well. So they have other variants recently as well, other variants of green like pine green and many thing else. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. It's pretty smooth. That's how it looks. My wrist is not that much thick, so yeah, I need to use the fourth button from both first and last. So yeah, that's how it looks. I hope you got the idea. So I have other variants of this type of band as well. I can show you. So this is one of the Belkin bands I have. Its price is around 1,500, which I purchased few months ago, and this one is the one I received with my band while purchasing the watch. So I use normally this one. This is the Nike edition band. It's pretty good because while working out you will sweat a lot, and that time it's much more breathable in these bands. But I like the loops most, the Sports Loop editions. I already have one of the Sports Loop by another third-party vendor. This one is from Case Dodo. This one I purchased from Case Dodo for around 1,000 rupees. I will just compare the quality of both this. So let's get that aside. So as you can see, it looks nice. The color is good. It's quite premium, I would say. So I liked it. So let's get unboxing with the next one. Let's put this all aside. So now we are going to unbox the Vitamin C. Why it's called Vitamin C, I don't know. Maybe the color combination they maintained here is vitamin C. That's why they have named it vitamin C, but I like the color. It's actually immunity booster, and it will remind you like we are in a pandemic situation. Yeah, so I have unboxed it. As you can see, this is the product. I need to remove this one. So this is the band. It's pretty good. I like the texture. I like the original color. It's pretty grayish, I guess, behind with orange tint, and it pretty, what I can say, like bluish white, something like that. So let's try this on. But before that, I would like to show you like what's the difference between these two. This is the 1000 rupees band, and this is the 3000 rupees band. So as you can see, there's not much difference at all, but quality wise, I think you can feel it if I take it closer. Like quality wise, there might be some difference, but I'm not sure. Maybe I can tell you later on like what's the exact difference between these two. But size wise, let me check about the size. Okay, the Case Dodo one is a little bit longer, but this Apple original one is a little bit shorter. So let me try this on. So for Apple original products, what I faced is like it will fit you properly. There will be a click sound. I hope you have heard it. There's a click sound when you just attach it. But for this kind of bands, third-party bands, it doesn't fit well. I mean, there's some extra portion comes up in this part, and it gets loose in you know, in near future. So let's try this on. Yeah, I like the color. It's pretty good. It feels actually nice whenever you are going for gym or working out. It will look good. So that's it. I think I will come up again with something new next time. Till then, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and just give me a like if you like the video. That will encourage me to come up with something new. Thanks a lot again for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.